What if I told you that thousands of people are getting paid online without selling anything, without showing their face, and without any special skills? And what if I told you this platform has been paying users for over 15 years? Stay with me, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how this works and why most people leave money on the table. Most videos online only tell you what to do. In this one, I'll show you what actually works, what wastes your time, and how to use this platform the smart way. And yes, I'll also explain how people withdraw real money. This platform is called ySense. It's a global Get Paid To website used by people from over 190 countries. ySense doesn't pay you for one single thing. It gives you multiple earning methods, which is exactly why most beginners get confused. Let me quickly break down the main ways to earn on ySense. First, paid surveys. These are usually the highest paying option. Companies pay for opinions, and ySense connects you to them. Second, offers and tasks. Things like signing up to websites, testing apps, or free trials. Third, games and app rewards. You play, complete milestones, and get paid. And finally, one of the most powerful features. Referral earnings. You earn a percentage from the activity of people you invite. Here's the part most people won't tell you. Not every task is worth your time. Not every survey will qualify you, but the people who understand where to focus are the ones who actually get consistent payouts. Now let's talk about payments. ySense pays through trusted methods like PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and even cryptocurrency options. This is one of the reasons the platform has survived for so long. This platform is so established and trusted that it even has its own members-only forum, an active community where users share earning strategies, payment proofs, and hidden opportunities. And this is something most people completely ignore. If you know how to use this forum, you don't just earn, you stay ahead of everyone else. If you want to test this yourself, don't search randomly on Google. Use the official link in the description. That link gives you direct access, and you'll see exactly the same dashboard I'm showing on screen. Watch this video till the end, then click the link and explore it step by step. Remember, this won't make you rich overnight. But if you're looking for real platforms, real payouts, and online income methods that actually exist, start with the link below. And one last thing before you go. The interface of this platform is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. No complicated dashboards, no confusing steps. Everything is designed to be easy to use, even if you're completely new to making money online.